Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to it, I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team at eXp Realty. I have over 20 years of real estate experience and I am proud to be one of the top selling agents in my area. Today, I'm sharing some tips on how to sell your home for sale to maximize its value and put more money in your pocket. Whether you're a homeowner preparing to sell or just looking to refresh your space, today's video will uncover valuable insights and strategies to transform your home into a buyer's dream. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and trends in this ever-changing real estate market. When preparing your house for sale, striking the right balance between style and functionality is crucial. A well-designed home will always captivate potential buyers, but maintaining that appeal while still living in the space can be challenging. Here are some strategies to create an inviting atmosphere that's both aesthetically pleasing and practical for your family's daily needs. Optimize your entryways. Keep daily clutter out of sight with storage solutions like shelves, benches, or entryway tables. This not only creates a welcoming entrance, but also maintains a tidy appearance for showings. Consider using multi-purpose furniture that provides storage and function, such as storage ottomans or coffee tables with drawers. This allows you to quickly store away belongings while adding a touch of style to your space. Another great and practical idea is to use decorative baskets as a stylish way to store away everyday items, such as blankets, pillows, or magazines. These keep your space looking neat and tidy while adding texture and visual interest. The same goes for maximizing storage in your bedrooms. Adding risers to beds can be a fantastic storage solution, as this creates additional space for off-season clothing, shoes, or toys in kids' rooms. Remember, when prepping your house for sale, less is more, and clutter-free and well-organized homes will surely impress potential buyers. When touring homes with buyers, a common design mistake I notice is the TV consoles that are too small for the size of the TV placed on top. Your TV console should never be smaller than your TV. This imbalance in size creates an unappealing, top-heavy look and makes your furniture appear undersized. An incorrectly proportioned TV console not only throws off the overall design aesthetic, but can also become an eyesore, detracting from your home's appeal rather than enhancing it. Ideally, there should be about 8 to 12 inches of space on either side of the TV where the console extends out, allowing room for styling or maybe decoration. This not only provides balance, but also serves as a focal point for the TV. To achieve the right balance, consider combining multiple pieces to create a longer console. This not only gives you the desired length, but also offers additional storage options, all while maintaining a cohesive look. Even if your TV matches the size of the unit underneath, it's still advisable to opt for a longer console to maintain visual proportion. When selecting furniture for your media area, think beyond traditional media units. Sideboards, dressers, cabinets, or credenzas with closed storage and added height can provide a more elegant and versatile solution. This allows you to achieve the desired look without compromising on style or functionality, even on a budget. Another simple and affordable way to elevate your home's appearance is by coordinating your hardware. Assess your doorknobs, kitchen and bathroom fixtures, and your light fixtures. Then choose a consistent style and finish that complements your home's design. You can find great options on sites like Amazon and Wayfair without breaking the bank. By replacing mismatched hardware, you'll create a polished, cohesive look throughout your entire space. Remember, while mixing metals can be a stylish choice when done intentionally, unintentional mismatching can make your space appear disorganized. By unifying your hardware, you will achieve a sophisticated upgrade that adds a refined touch to your home, and buyers will appreciate it. Another way to elevate your home's value and appeal to today's discerning buyers is by employing the high and wide curtain method. This simple technique creates an illusion of larger, more stylish windows, adding a touch of luxury to any space. Avoid the common mistake of having curtains that are too long or too short, and instead create the illusion of grander, more stylish windows by following these 2 steps. Number 1, hang curtains high. Install the curtain rod close to the ceiling, leaving just enough space for the rod and end caps. This gives the appearance of taller windows and higher ceilings. Number 2, extend the rod wide. Mount the curtain rod 3 to 6 inches beyond the window frame to make the window seem wider than it is. This also allows the curtains to stack back neatly when open, providing an unobstructed view and maximum natural light. When choosing curtains, opt for high quality fabric in a complementary color and a length that grazes the floor. Remember, high quality doesn't have to mean expensive. IKEA offers an impressive range of affordable curtain options, and I suggest going with a neutral color such as off-white, white, or sheer to give your space a modern luxury feel. By implementing this window trick and shopping smart, you'll complement your space while achieving that high-end polished look using the high and wide method. Another home styling trick is selecting the right rug, which is a simple yet effective way to elevate your space and impress potential buyers. To create a luxurious atmosphere that commands top dollar, focus on these 2 factors: size and placement. First, measure your space accurately to ensure the rug fits well. Opt for a size that allows at least the front legs of your furniture to rest on it. This promotes a cohesive and connected look. Avoid rugs that are too small, as they can make a space feel disconnected and disrupt the room's scale. Instead, choose a full-size rug that accommodates your furniture pieces, enhancing the overall appearance and creating an expansive feel. In a dining room, make sure the rug extends at least 24 inches beyond the edges of the table to allow for comfortable chair movement. Remember that a well-chosen rug can serve as a beautiful focal point that ties the entire room together, leaving a lasting impression on those who view your home. Another mistake I often see is improperly hung artwork. Hanging your artwork strategically can make a world of a difference in your home's ambiance, impressing potential buyers and adding that wow factor to your space. To create a visually captivating environment, consider the size of your artwork and hanging height. When hanging art above a sofa, opt for a piece that is about 2/3 the length of the couch. This proportion ensures that the artwork complements the space without overwhelming it. The hanging height is equally important. Aim to hang your artwork between 4 to 8 inches above the back of the sofa. This creates a visual connection between the art and the furniture, fostering a sense of balance and cohesion. By implementing these expert tips, you'll create a visually captivating environment that showcases your home's full potential and leaves a lasting impression on potential buyers, ultimately boosting perceived value and driving up the offers for your property. Remember, home staging is about crafting an inviting space that tells a story and allows buyers to envision themselves living in your home. By thoughtfully considering each design element, from lighting and artwork placement to window treatments and functional storage solutions, you'll transform your home into a desirable and competitive listing that stands out in the market. And there you have it, guys. Once again, I'm Lily Vallario with eXp Realty, and I hope you enjoyed these tips. Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any other ideas you may have about elevating the ambiance and overall perceived value of a home. And if you or someone you know is planning to buy or sell a home, please don't hesitate to contact me. Even if you're not in my local area, I can connect you with a trusted real estate agent from my extensive network who possesses the skills, knowledge, and dedication necessary to guide you through your real estate venture. My contact information is in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.